It is indeed a great day for us that we are inaugurating this amphitheater. You know, if you talk of Eastern Samar, it's not easy to be in the seven poorest provinces, and we have to hit hard on what shall be done so that we can be alleviated from this status. If I am asked what to do, I would say that we have to hit hard on agriculture, do good in agriculture, do good in tourism, in environmental protection, and invest so much in our human resource because it is our people who will deliver us, who will help us, especially the next generation, help our marriage be receive and develop to become a peaceful and loving community. So, with this in mind, I am always constrained to work so much on education. And this is what we have now, an amphitheater. And with the suggestion of the governor, we open the Maritime Study Center so that we now have 50 million for this. Thank you, Governor Ibardone, for that suggestion. And next year, we will have again another 50 million so that we will complete this. And Dr. Pagatpatan, with your suggestion that I pass a bill to have this properly legislated, Congressman Erwin Tolpo was whispering to me that he will also be a co-author and he will also help me in making this a law. And also the medical science courses to be opened in ISU, and hopefully we can open it also in G1 campus. So for our ISU community, with best wishes and efforts, we will do everything so that our quality education will be more enhanced. And I would like to congratulate all of you, especially our President, Dr. Andres Pagatpatan, to being loyal to the mission of ISU, excellence, accountability, and service, and for trailblazing to reaching for the purpose of greater excellence for our community and for our educational institution. So we are now level 2. We are accredited as level 2 in quality standard system. There are only 4 universities in Region 8 who had this award, and this is the highest award. It's like the ISO accreditation where you are graded in terms of quality instruction and capability of your professors. So, hay matanan, nagpapasalamat ako hanaton DPWH for a job well done. You have constructed this properly and on time to the contractor. And a lot of people will benefit from this. On my part, do not hesitate to give your request to me, and we will keep on marching forward. I can only feel that this is not only an amphitheater, but in case a strong typhoon would come, we have another shelter. It is mao pa ini nga taguan him bagyo siguro kay marigon nga kahimo evacuation. It is also an evacuation center so that it can save our people whenever these calamities would come. And we are still in the news every day because we are hitting 55 degrees Celsius in Giwan. I think this is the highest in the Philippines. But with this amphitheater, I think you just have to add more air conditioning facilities. And hopefully we can acquire the proper instruction in a better cool space, better air-cooled room. So thank you very much. Congratulations to everyone, and uh, good luck to you who will be using this. Thank you very much.